Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I like to share my favorite plant-based recipes, so if you don't want to miss on a new video, make sure to subscribe. So we're going to start off with this easy blueberry and banana oatmeal. So in a bowl, you're going to mix 1/3 of a cup of oats and 2/3 of a cup of water. Mix that all together and microwave for 4 minutes. Once that's done, you can add about 1 teaspoon of hemp hearts, half a teaspoon of cinnamon, and some maple syrup to your liking. If you have some at home, you can add some granola to your oatmeal, then your banana, and some blueberries. Our second recipe is a healthy lentil wrap. So we're going to start off with an easy salad to add to the wrap. So add half a tomato, cucumber, 1 scallion, coriander, some parsley, seasoned salt to your liking, and olive oil. Once you've mixed everything together, you can put everything aside for later. Over medium-high heat, add 1 can of lentils to a large pan and add some water to make sure it doesn't stick to it. Once you've let that simmer for about 5 minutes, add 2 tablespoons of tomato paste, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, onion powder, curry powder, and garlic. In a tortilla, you're going to add some hummus, the lentil mix we just made, the salad mix, and some fresh microgreens. For the third recipe, we have banana and peanut butter smoothie bowl. In a blender, we're going to add 2 frozen bananas, 2 tablespoons of flaxseed or hemp hearts if you don't have any, 2 tablespoons of peanut butter, half a cup of non-dairy milk, and half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. So in a smoothie bowl, you can add any fruits you have at home. So I'm adding peaches, blueberries, some granola, and hemp hearts. So for our last recipe, we're going to make avocado toast. gonna add to our avocado about half a teaspoon of garlic powder and half a teaspoon of onion powder. We're gonna add our mix evenly onto our toast. Add some fresh tomatoes and some radish. And that's done. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and let me know what you think in the comments below. See you guys next time.